I'm Sonia. I had the split ear repair procedure at Harley Street. I'd broken my ear about 10 years ago. I used to wear very large earrings and I wore them to bed, and the hole got bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually it split. I left it for quite a long time, and then I got married, and me and my husband researched where we could go to have it fixed. A lot of places were far too expensive or too far away, so we found a private clinic and we came here. I saw Dr. Miles Berry for a consultation, and he was lovely. He made me feel really relaxed, and we talked about the whole thing, how it would work, the pros, the cons, and how long it would take, everything. So he put me completely at ease. He took a before photo. Then we went through to the operating room, and the nurse lady held my hand when I had the anaesthetic, and that was the worst bit out of all of it. I was only in there about 20 or so minutes. It was really relaxing, and within a few minutes it was all done. Everything was fixed. It's totally made me feel much more confident. I couldn't wear my hair up, I couldn't wear pretty earrings, and now I can do all those things, and it's made me feel wonderful. And if you've got a split ear, I would definitely come here, because it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant.